Whoa, hear the bullfrogs? And then there's birds, there's geese, ducks, the occasional crickets. I thought that usually come out in the evening. And then you'll hear airplanes. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. Well, I'm at Silver Lake Park just outside of Haymarket, Virginia. And behind me there, of course, is Silver Lake. There's people out there kayaking and canoeing and fishing, and there's even horseback riding out here. So anyway, I get asked a lot what vlogging equipment I use. I use 4 different types of cameras. I use the iPhone 12 Pro, the iPad 9.7 Pro, the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and the Nikon D7100. I basically use the iPhone and the iPad. My GoPro, I'll use that if I'm going to be mountain biking, regular biking, walking on trails, mountains, just a little more activity where I don't have to, I can just mount that either to my chest or head or arm or wherever I want to put the GoPro. The D7100, I don't use that very much. Basically, if I'm just going to be sitting in one area, like fireworks or something, where I can just leave it on the tripod and do that. My tripods, I'll use like a real sturdy tripod for wind. And oh, excuse me, almost swallowed a bug there. I got a monopod and a mini tripod. Like I said, just depending on what I'm going to do that day, just what tripods I'm going to use. My microphones, I use a Rode Video Stereo mic or the Rode Wireless Go microphones. So this is going to be a 4-part series, about 2 or 3 minutes long for each one of those. So let's get started. So this is a pretty basic setup here for my Nikon D7100. I don't vlog with this too much. Sometimes I do, but it's not very often. I usually put my 10 to 24 wide angle lens on here. I got my Rode wireless mic along with the Rode SC2 3.5 millimeter TRS patch cable, and that is basically it with that. This is pretty lightweight. Sometimes I use my Gorilla Pod with this, or I'll just hand hold it, but that's basically it for that one. So there's my 4th type of vlogging camera that I use. And on that note, traveler out.